Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pi Network Coin. Now, Pi Network Coin launching days has been released. So many people believe that Pi Network finally is going to be released this year, 2023. Now, according to some experts, a lot of people have been following the expert. There have been series of interviews, and of course, so many people have been waiting for this for so long. Now, Pi Network, based on what we actually saw online on Pi Network Twitter page, and of course on the Pi Network website, based on the latest project, it means that Pi Network are definitely going to launch this coin very soon. They are going to surprise everybody by launching this coin where people will not even expect it. Now, according to our findings, Pi Network might be launched by November, early first week of November. Pi Network is set to be launched, and I hope for this to be true, because if it is launched on first week of November, I believe that so many people will be happy definitely by December, because when this coin is finally launched by November, the coin will be rising. Yes, Pi Network will be pumping. So many people that have Pi Network can even buy goods and services. Pi Network themselves knows that so many retail stores have actually signed up. So many small businesses and malls are all waiting for Pi Network. So they know if they can launch this between season periods, November, December are always the best time. So many companies normally make sales because of the season and the new year. So I believe that they believe if it is launched from November to December, there will be a lot of transaction because people want to purchase items. So it will also help the coin to gain more trading volume. By the time it's launched, it also help the coin to gain a lot of market cap. Maybe that should be the strategy they are looking up to. But I hope that they definitely launch this coin this year. And even if it's December, no problem. But what we want to be sure is that Pi Network should be launched, because we have been waiting for a very long period of time for Pi Network. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.